Welcome to the science edition of the Million in 5 podcast, where we explore the latest breakthroughs in the world of science facts, or science fiction. This episode explores how the evolving portrayal of extrasolar planets in science fiction mirrors our scientific advancements, enriching the dialogue between science and creativity. Ideal for those who gaze at the stars, dreaming of what lies beyond, Million in 5 offers a unique journey through the convergence of science and fiction, sparking curiosity and expanding our understanding of the universe. Scientists at the St. Andrews Centre for Exoplanet Science and the Space Research Institute of the Austrian Academy of Sciences have been studying the relationship between science fiction and scientific fact. They focused their research on the representation of extrasolar planets in science fiction and how it has evolved over time. The connection between science fiction and scientific discoveries is not a new phenomenon. From the early 20th century to the present day, science fiction has been influenced by scientific advancements and, in turn, has inspired scientists to explore new possibilities. For example, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was inspired by contemporary experiments in galvanism, a precursor to modern electrical stimulation. However, there has been a reluctance to use science fiction as a pedagogical tool in science communication. This may be due to the challenge of distinguishing between fact and fiction in science fiction works. Misconceptions about science are already a challenge in education, and the ambiguity of science fiction can further complicate the learning process. To address this issue, the researchers conducted a Bayesian network analysis of exoplanet representations in science fiction before and after the discovery of actual exoplanets. They found that the portrayal of exoplanets has become more realistic over time, reflecting the scientific discoveries made in the field of exoplanet research. Dr. Emma Joanna Purinen, the lead researcher, explained that this shift in representation could be attributed to authors reading about real-life discoveries of Earth-like exoplanets and incorporating that knowledge into their fiction. This shows that science fiction world-building responds to scientific discoveries and adapts to reflect the contemporary science of the time. This study highlights the potential of science fiction as a tool for science education. By comparing how different texts address scientific concepts and how they reflect the science of their time, educators can use science fiction to engage students and inspire them to learn more about scientific topics. The implications of this research go beyond the realm of science fiction. As our understanding of the universe continues to expand, it is important for scientists and science communicators to find innovative ways to engage the public and convey complex scientific concepts. Science fiction can serve as a bridge between scientific discoveries and the general public, sparking curiosity and interest in scientific exploration. By incorporating science fiction into science education, we can foster a deeper understanding of scientific concepts and inspire the next generation of scientists and innovators. This interdisciplinary approach can help bridge the gap between science and society, making scientific knowledge more accessible and engaging for all. Looking ahead, we can expect to see even more integration of science fiction and scientific fact. As AI technology continues to advance, there may be opportunities to use AI-generated content to enhance science communication and education. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies could also provide immersive experiences that bring scientific concepts to life. The future of science communication is exciting and full of possibilities. By embracing the relationship between science fiction and scientific fact, we can create a more inclusive and engaging scientific community that inspires curiosity and drives scientific progress. That's all for today's episode of Million in 5. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of scientific discoveries and research. Until then, stay curious and keep looking up.